in session live, currently looking at GBPUSD. GU on the daily, we have a bullish breakout bar in the 3 months. Price initially retraced back to the breakout level. Market rejected the move down and then flipped that monthly breakout level. Monthly traders are in false breakout. That's a bullish move. Daily traders have flipped their breakout level, and daily traders are currently bearish, but I see this more as a pullback. And so I am waiting for a price to align back with that higher time frame trend and then take the trade back up. On the weekly chart, we also have a bullish breakout bar on the 6 months. Initially, price came down, reacted exactly at that range level, and then shot back up. Right now, we're below the breakout level, as well as below the weekly breakout level. But I am finding some support over here on the previous week low. So price has retraced all the way back and triggered that previous week low. And now I am looking for a trend pullback setup on the weekly. And on the daily, I'm looking for a trend reversal. So 2 setups are showing up, trend reversal on the daily and trend pullback on the weekly. So the trend pullback setup, I want to see higher time frame directional bias, which we have on the weekly. H2 bar is where I trade, H2 chart is where I trade the weekly bar. And what I want to see is a breakout bar, which we have, and then a flip of the breakout level, price getting below, price got below, and then faking out the previous week low as well as the previous day low with support from the previous breakout level. So prices come down, flip that breakout level, faking out the previous week low, previous day low, and we have support from the previous breakout level. So this is exactly what I want to see. And once price triggers that momentum time frame, which it has, then I am looking for a alignment. So right now I'm looking at that weekly fake out retracement. So I'm looking for fake out retracement patterns. So I trade fake out retracements as reversals. And so I'm looking at either a reversal, continuation, or pullback pattern from down here. And right now I can see that the daily breakout level is breaking out of a low. And when you break out of a low, let me see price. Yep. When you break out below the low and then fake out the low, current previous low below that breakout level, then I know that we're in a reversal pattern. We're breaking out below the low, faking out the low, and right now we're in a breakout reversal on the daily. So this one right here. And so once you trigger the momentum time frame, when you're triggering a fake out entry, these ones in blue, then you can drop down to lower time frames and trade at an even lower time frame. So once you trigger that previous day low, I can drop down to the daily bar and trade this daily move. And right now, this daily bar, I can see the reversal pattern right here as well. Breakout, faking out the low, breakout reversal, and then getting above that breakout level is a false breakout. So I'm waiting for continuation here to take this move. And that's what I'm looking for on the weekly. And on the daily is a trend reversal setup. So trend reversals, again, I need higher time frame directional bias. We have that on the daily, that month false breakout move. I believe this is still bullish. And what I want to see in a trend reversal is a daily breakout bar, bearish breakout bar, which we have. And then I want to see price come down, fake out the low, which it has done as well. Faked out the previous day low as well as the H8 low. And once it triggers that, I'm looking at trading a breakout reversal. So breakout reversals, I trade exactly as fake out retracements. It's a reversal cycle. We're below breakout levels and trading right into it. And again, 99% of the time, the entry, the pattern that's going to show up in a reversal, a good one, is going to be this one right here. I rarely see these other ones, but this one, 99% of the time, this is what I'm waiting for. And I can clearly see that, as I said, breakout, breakout, reversal, and then false breakout move. So lots of confluence here. We have the trend pullback on the weekly and trend reversal on the daily. And let's see if this continues up. So price has already closed where I want it to close, and now I just want to see continuation. Okay, so price is pushing on up. One more 10, 15 seconds until this M15. So it got stuck in a range. And let's see if this can close outside of the range. If it does, then I'll be looking for a continuation move here. It closed above, and now I want to see some continuation. I want to see 10-second closures above that high. And I just look at the timer to see if we have that. Also have to consider that 45 more minutes until the H4. If I get the entry here, I'll go for it. Okay, no entry just yet. So I'm just looking for continuation above this level. So my entry style, I want to see a confirmed bar closure at the key level. We have that. The bar closed at where I want to take the trade. And then I want to see that continuation of that peak. And so that's what I'm waiting for. So no continuation just yet. 3 minute also close above. 15 seconds close above, then failed. Okay, I'll pause it and wait for the entry. Okay, so price ended up failing, closed below. So now again, I need to wait for price to close above. Right now, just looking at closing price, this bar closed above, wanted to see continuation, did not continue, and now we've closed below. So we're officially faking out the H1 high. I want to see a bar close above and then looking for continuation. Okay, price making its way back up to where I want it. Closed, and now I want to see continuation here. Kind of a weird spot right at the M15 high, but I do like momentum. Shifted, broke above that breakout level, and let's see if I can get a little closure up here. Again, I'm looking for that peak to break, and I'm looking at the timer for 10-second closures. So same idea as just going down to the 15 seconds and seeing 15-second closures above. Just want to see that 15-second closure above, and there you go. Okay, so same concept, except instead of dropping down, I don't always have the 15 seconds open. So instead of dropping all the way down, I can just take a look at the timer. Okay, so that's the entry. Stop loss is at the low. So again, this is trend reversal on the daily. This trend reversal goes to the daily breakout level, and then trend pullback on the weekly, which goes to the weekly breakout high. So I'll see how price behaves at these levels. And ultimately, I am bullish on this. If you take a look at this chart, this is a 3 months. If I look at the 3 months, this is going to be a trend retracement, right? You have a breakout bar, and then price is retracing down to that low. And this is a typical structure of how trend retracement looks like. I also identified it on the weekly, that typical trend retracement structure. And so I would expect price to get up to that high. And so ultimately, if I really wanted to, I could hold it all the way up to the previous week high, and even higher than that, all the way up to that 3 months high. But I don't usually have the stomach to hold for that long. So let's see where this goes. Okay, so that's the trade trend reversal on daily trend reversal, and weekly trend pullback. All right, took partials here, and just gonna let this run. So the move was the daily is a trend reversal move. We have a bearish breakout bar with hard time frame bullish. Price came down, triggered the low, got in on that false breakout move, and the setup on the daily is to the daily breakout level, and on the weekly it was a trend pullback. So trend pullback, you have that bullish one here, breakout, flipping that breakout level, and then got below it, faked out the low, entered on a lower time frame. So the reason why I was looking at the daily was because the breakout level is too far away. And so I entered on this one, but this is the move for trend pullback, and it's just completing it right now. And second leg, I'm going to be looking for a buy above that breakout level, but I'm not going to be trading. I'm done for the day. All right, so that's it. Um, nice to see the setups play out, getting helped by news, but this is exactly what I thought would happen, and that's it.